everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and today I wanted to share with you how to create this cute little box. It features the well-dressed stamp set. This is a newly released Sale-a-bration reward. It's a level 1 reward, so if you make a purchase of $50 in product, you can choose this as your free reward. It's a great masculine stamp set, something we're always looking for. I don't think we can ever have enough masculine stamp sets. So the little box is pretty quick and easy to make. I'll show you how to do that, but I wanted to show you first the cards that I put in the box. And these do feature the well-dressed stamp set. I kept them pretty simple. And you can see how these are note cards and envelopes. So I actually dressed up the flap of the envelopes to coordinate with the cards. Added some words, stamps, and just kept these pretty simple, but I think they're pretty cute. So let me show you how to do the box. I'm gonna get my scoring tool or my paper trimmer with my scoring blade, I should say. And this is, I've already scored this, but I'm gonna do it again to show you, but this is 7 inches across and 11 inches tall. So I am going to score at 1.5 and 5.5. Long way. And then I'm going to turn this and score at 4 and 5.5. Okay, so there are my score lines. Now to create the box, I will trim this, and I like to angle these a little bit. It just helps the box go together a little smoother. Like that. And I'll do that on both sides. Just cutting across the score line and then just angling it a little bit. Same thing over here. Okay. And then to put the box together, of course, you want to score. I can set my trimmer aside now. Fold on all the score lines. And you can see how this box will go together like that. Pretty, like I said, quick and easy. So I'm just going to, normally when I make a box, I would probably use tear and tape. But just for my demonstration today, I'm going to just use my snail adhesive. So I'll fold this box, get it all lined up on both sides. This one I'm gonna. Okay, so that's gonna be like that. So there's the box. Now what I like to do, you actually could leave it just like this, but what I like to do is angle these sides. So I'll take my paper snips and just cut right up to the corner there. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Just angling down from the corner to the edge of that little panel there. So there's your box. Now to do this front piece, which I think of course is the cutest part, I have navy blue for that. So what you'll do first is you're going to start out with a piece of 3.5 inch by 4 inch Whisper White cardstock. I have gone ahead and stamped the collar and tie, and you can see I wasn't concerned about this part because it's not going to show anyway. It's going to be covered up. So the next part is the vest. This is the same size, 3.5 by 4, and I've run it through a die cutting machine using the new Argyle embossing folder, so it's a cute little Argyle vest. And then I made a template, and to do this, I actually found the halfway point on this 3.5 inch width and made a mark, and then just angled down. And then I made a template because I knew I was going to be making a lot of these. So I'm just going to cut these with my paper snip This will create the V neckline. Okay, and there you have that. So that will be attached, and again, I'll use my snail adhesive. Cover that up. Okay, so there you have that. And then the next part will be adding the tie. And for the tie, I stamped, it's the stamp that has the collar and the tie, and I went ahead and did that. I stamped it in garden green and then cut it out. So that's gonna fit right on there. And I'll just, again, use my snail adhesive. Okay, put that right on there. Okay, so there's that. Now to create the lapel, I have 2 pieces of the Night of Navy cardstock. This is 1.5 by, I had it written down, 1.5 by 4.25. And to create the V part, the lapel part, I actually positioned this right on my trimmer and just angled it and scored like that. So I'm gonna fold those back, both of those panels. It would be nice to use a bone folder, but I left mine out on my table. But I think you'll get the idea. So they're your lapels. So these I will attach with my tearing tape, just because they have a little bit of weight to them. And okay, burnish that and pull that off. Maybe I'll get it. There we go. Okay, so there's one side, and I'm just going to position this. It's going to line up right on the edge of my vest panel. Just put that in place. And then the same thing with this side. It's going to be positioned right there. So let me get my tearing tape. And that'll go right down that panel. Tearing tape is great for anything that's heavy or boxes, anything like that that you're creating. Okay, I'll line that up there, like that. Then I use the all dressed up dies. These are some of my favorite dies right now. They have a purse and lipstick and shoes, super, super cute. And I thought this navy blue blazer should have some brass buttons. So I added those. And then, of course, every well-dressed man needs a tie tack. So these are the Noble Peacock rhinestones, and I'll just take one of the blue ones and put it right on that tie. And then this will just fit right over the front of the card. Now, on my sample, you can see that I actually spread these out a little bit so that there's a little bit more space through where there's more of the vest showing. But this way would work as well. Super cute, and you'll just attach that, and then you'll put your cards in there. It's a super cute gift, and I think it's something that anyone would love to receive. Thank you so much.